Welcome to Fintech South. Invesco QQQ is pleased to be the platinum sponsor this year, and we're thrilled to be with you virtually and adopting the virtual technologies that we're all using each and every day, which has emerged during this COVID period. The best part about it is it's allowing us to get together and have the conference where we can share ideas, experience, and learn from one another. So we're thrilled that we're here and happy to kick it off. Invesco is proud that our global headquarters has been based here in Atlanta for the past 15 years, and we're looking forward to moving into our new global headquarters just down the street here in Midtown by the end of 2022. There's no question that technology has been a primary focus for the financial services industry for many years, and the global pandemic has only further accelerated the adoption of technology within financial services at a pace that no one would have imagined just a few years ago. Those firms that had the infrastructure and the wherewithal to engage with clients, to work remotely, had a huge advantage over those organizations that did not make the investment in prior years. Every organization that has made those investments separated themselves during this period of time, and it simply underscores the value of the dedication to technology, the adoption of technology, and thoughtful investment in technology. That's one of the reasons why Invesco has been so active in the fintech space. Whether it's through our partnership with well-known QQQs, our digital wealth platform, our innovation space at Coda, or partnering with several other global companies as founders of Engage, a hugely successful startup and accelerator here in Atlanta that helps innovators and entrepreneurs bring their products to market, working with some of the largest Fortune 500 companies in the world. Atlanta has a very vibrant fintech community, is highly attractive to innovators due to the deep and extensive network here in Atlanta. We all know that Atlanta is a very strong logistics and transportation hub. There's great access to capital. The academic community is extraordinarily strong and supportive of the community. The startup community is robust and continuing to grow and develop. And there's also a very important network of Fortune 500 companies that are spending more and more time in the fintech community, in the startup community in particular. And finally, it's a very diverse population and a high quality of life. All of these make up a very vibrant ecosystem, which is fundamental to ever growing a successful fintech and startup community. We're excited to join with a number of firms and talented individuals across the city to build Atlanta as a financial tech and innovation hub. We're very pleased to support Fintech South, which is really helping drive a helpful conversation on so many different important topics. The synergy between the fintech community and the experience of navigating complex regulatory environments and capital for incumbents is one of the topics. Secondly, legacy infrastructure and what large companies are doing to modernize their tech stacks to create more open architecture, making it easier for smaller and more nimble startups to work with the larger companies in that environment. And pathways and programs for large organizations to quickly evaluate and test fintech service offerings and make quick decisions and move on to execution and integration within their organizations. The use of artificial intelligence and its growing impact on nearly every facet of the fintech environment. And finally, how traditional financial services and tech companies are working to expand diversity and inclusion at all levels. Fintech South will explore all of these topics and more over the next few days, and I encourage you to take advantage of the full spectrum of the discussions. They'll be thoughtful, they'll be robust conversation, and we'll all leave here knowing more than we did coming in. Thank you again for joining Invesco QQQ at Fintech South 2020, and we look forward to working with the market leaders across the globe to shape the future of finance right here in Atlanta.